Am I the only one that is just beating the crap out of their Cybertruck? So what I'm about to say is gonna cause more controversy, but let's dive into it. I mean, I've been using this to farm for work. I've just been beating the crap out of it. And to my surprise, it's holding up. Because I've seen so many people post just negative things about these just falling apart. Probably one of my favorite features though that sold me on it was having this, it's a 50 amp style plug in the back here. And it's running a 240 volt welder. And I've also got another pigtail going off to a plasma cutter behind it. There's a compressor and there's still plenty of space for all your tools below. And what's odd is I still have more bed space than I had in my old pickup that had a similar setup. Towing, no, don't. I've got an OBS to do that. But if you're not planning on going further than 150 miles, sure, you can justify it, I guess, but I wouldn't. Anyways, drop a follow if you want to see more content of this on a farm and how it actually performs.